Welcome the Art Channel. Today we how to authorize e-trade account with 2FA detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize your e-trade account with two-factor authentication, begin by logging into your e-trade account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the security settings option in the menu. Click on security settings to access authentication methods. You should see an option for two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. Next, choose your preferred method for receiving authentication codes. E-Trade typically offers options such as SMS text message or authentication apps. If you select SMS, enter your mobile phone number. If you prefer an authentication app, follow the instructions to link the app to your account. For SMS, E-Trade will send a verification code to the phone number you provided. Check your phone for the code and enter it into the designated field on the website. Once entered, click on the Verify button to confirm your number. If you chose an authentication app, scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your app. Once scanned, the app will generate a verification code. Enter the code from your authentication app into the verification field. Click Verify to complete the setup process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication is now active. After enabling two-factor authentication, log out of your account to test the new setup. Log back in using your username and password. You will now be prompted to enter the two-factor authentication code. Retrieve the code from your chosen method and input it when prompted. If everything is set up correctly, you will gain access to your account. Ensure you keep your authentication method secure to protect your account. With two-factor authentication enabled, your e-trade account is now more secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.